You need to understand that you are looking at one of the most historically significant and valuable Lincoln Wheat pennies ever minted. This is the 1935 Lincoln Wheat penny, and what makes this coin so incredibly special is not just its age, but the story it tells and the shocking values it commands in today's market. And take a close look at this specimen right here. Even though this penny has clearly circulated through the American economy for nearly 90 years, you can still see that critical date, 1935, stamped clearly on the right side of the obverse. The detail preservation on this coin is actually quite remarkable considering its age and the fact that it was used as everyday pocket change during one of the most difficult periods in American history. Lincoln's profile is still well-defined, showing his distinctive features including his beard, his strong jawline, and the details of his coat and bow tie. The word Liberty is clearly visible on the left side, and if you look at the top of the coin, you can still read, "In God We Trust," arcing across, though there is some honest wear on the highest points of the letters. The rim is strong and well-preserved, which is crucial for determining grade and value. This coin has that beautiful golden brown patina that comes from decades of natural aging, and serious collectors absolutely love this color because it proves the coin has not been cleaned or artificially altered. Now flip this beauty over and look at that reverse design. Those iconic wheat stalks are still beautifully detailed, flanking both sides of the coin with individual grain kernels still visible. The words 1 cent stand bold and proud in the center, and you can clearly read E pluribus unum curving along the top with the United States of America along the bottom. There is some light wear on the wheat stalks themselves, which is completely normal for a coin that actually circulated, but the overall design integrity is impressive. This is a coin that has survived nearly 9 decades of American history, passing through countless hands, and it still retains enough detail to tell its story. Now, let me explain why 1935 is such an extraordinarily important year for Lincoln Wheat pennies and why collectors are willing to pay absolutely mind-blowing amounts of money to own them. The year 1935 was right in the heart of the Great Depression. Unemployment was still devastating. Families were struggling to put food on the table, and every single penny had real purchasing power. A penny in 1935 could buy you a piece of candy, a newspaper, or contribute to a loaf of bread. People were not thinking about saving coins as collectibles. They were thinking about survival.